You looking good, you know you do. Your whole crew got that old attitude, but it's so.
Once again, it's Jay and Nan.
Elijah.
Bro, lucky we have an episode.
Well, everybody has their own perspective of life, so I just want to see it through a different lens.
Bro, lock in, bro. Bro, lock in.
Anyways, Pioneers, so for this episode, we have a couple of announcements. We have Black History Month, we have girls soccer senior night, boys basketball senior night, and just how the previous episode, how we had an automotive segment as a quick little
Like a promotion video show.
on the class, right? We have one of welding, which I don't take welding.
The camera is over here.
Have you took welding?
Yes.
So tell them like a little bit.
So basically,
Let's just roll the clip and see what the class is about.
Hey guys, my name is Adele, and this is the senior class welding of 2026. Welcome to our shop. Let's take a tour. So currently, right now, we are working on our senior project. Every welding class, the senior class, gets to work on a project that they get to leave here at the school. So right now, we are currently working on some flames. The flames represent the ambition and fire they have towards welding, and that's kind of what we want to leave behind for our class of 2026 project.
Artesia High School offers the only welding program in the district, along with a complete pathway of Welding 1, 2, and 3. Welding 1 has a strong focus on shop safety, job professionalism, and career opportunities in the welding industry. Students learn to safely use power tools, such as chop saws and grinders, along with measuring devices and oxyacetylene torch cutting and welding. A major emphasis is placed on accurately reading a measuring tape down to the 16th inch scale. Students practice all power tools, cutting, and welding processes through 2 personalized projects. Welding 1 is articulated with Cerritos College, meaning students who pass the course with a grade of C or higher earn college credit for Weld 60, a required safety course in the college welding program. In Welding 2, students begin with a brief review of Welding 1 and then learn a cutting process called plasma arc cutting, which is applied to a personalized project. Any projects completed in the pathway may be taken home by students. Students then learn the gas metal arc welding process, which includes extensive practice followed by another personalized project. Next, students learn the shielded metal arc welding process with focused practice and another personalized project to close out the school year. Welding 2 also introduces a variety of pneumatic tools powered by compressed airs. This course is primarily hands-on, with most instructional time spent working in the shop. Welding 3 builds on the skills learned in Welding 1 and Welding 2 with advanced shielded metal arc welding techniques, individualized senior cutting and welding projects, and group senior projects. During the second semester, students learn gas tungsten arc welding, a precision welding process focusing on aluminum. Welding 3 is now partnered with the local 105 union, the Sheet Metal Workers. This partnership is developing a pathway that will soon offer a pre-apprenticeship opportunity after high school, along with industry-recognized certifications that can be used within the union. Our instructor, Mr. Brand, also offers a Cerritos College dual enrollment 0-period class called Welding 100. During the summer, the program offers an extensive 6-week experience partnered with Harbor Freight. This program runs 5 days a week for 8-hour days, allowing students to work toward 2 welding certifications while earning minimum wage. Overall, this is a fun, engaging, and hands-on program that keeps students active and learning throughout the entire period. Anyone interested is welcome to stop by for a quick tour. You will not regret it.
All right, Pioneer, so that was our welding segment. I personally never took welding, but fortunately, another one of our anchors have took welding. Kind of give them more of an insight on welding.
Yeah, so welding is basically the mixing and blending of 2 materials, you know, all that.
Metal materials or like
I don't even know, it's like concrete, all that, like
concrete,
steel.
All right, well, that was welding, so make sure you guys go check that out.
I think I do that segment you were doing?
Yeah, are you okay? You have ADHD?
No.
You're good?
Yeah, why?
I was just making sure.
You think after that segment you would join?
If I wasn't a senior, probably.
No, like if you were a junior.
If I wasn't a senior, probably.
So if you were a junior, freshman, or sophomore?
Yes.
Because that's why we played that video. If you're one of those, you have registration coming up, pick welding.
Anyway, to transition from welding, we had our boys' senior night.
No, which one should we pick first?
We had our boys' basketball senior
You have
night.
two. There was girls soccer and boys soccer. Thank you, Elijah.
Girls.
I pick next boys soccer.
It was girls soccer. It was
basketball.
It was girls soccer and boys basketball senior night. Which did I pick first?
I picked boys basketball.
I want to watch girls soccer, so let's go check that one out. All right, partner. So that was our girls soccer senior night. My friend Jaden here was sad that they were going, but they got playoffs. And they're going to go all the way once again. But it's okay.
Bro.
Anyway, we're going to transition into boys basketball senior night, which was shot by Jaden, right?
No, Daniel.
Daniel.
I took a picture.
Right. It was a team effort. But let's go check that out.
Where'd all the time go? It's starting to fly. See how the hands go, waving goodbye. No, I get so forgetful when I look in your eyes. Now she's walking backward through a parade, and I'm stuck in the shadow, blocking the shade. There ain't no way to sweep up the mess that we made.
All right, pioneers.
You're leaving.
We're going to cover both senior nights.
Both?
Anyway, so basketball has came to an end. It was a long, unforgettable season. Soccer, we're gonna keep going and play. Boys soccer's as well, so shout out to them too. To basically finish up the episode, we have a Black History Month segment.
I'm excited for that.
So let's go check that out.
What's up, pioneers? Today we're going to see how much AHS students know about Black history. Okay, today I'm here with,
Urban Gutierrez.
and my question for you is, who was Muhammad Ali?
Muhammad Ali was, if I remember, he was a boxer in the late 60s. And what else? He was a Muslim. What else did he do? Oh yeah, he was very, very, very influential in the sport of boxing. I think he was like considered one of the best of all time. What else? I think he mentored. I'm not gonna put this as an actual quote, but I think he mentored Mike Tyson, because I did see a little bit of media about them two together, but I'm not sure about that. But that's all I know about Muhammad Ali.
Thank you. And now I'm here with
Andrew.
And what holiday celebrates the end of slavery in the United States?
Juneteenth.
That's correct.
My name is Nicholas.
My name is Capriati.
And I'm gonna ask you this question, all right?
All right.
So, what singer is known as the Queen of Soul?
If I can remember correctly, I'm pretty sure it's Aretha Franklin, because I'm pretty sure she was very known for like making soul music back then.
I guess you're pretty right, huh? I'm here with
Miles McNaught.
And why do we celebrate Black History Month?
Just to be like, aware of African American history, and yeah, it's good to keep up awareness.
Yeah, I agree.
Now we're going to be asking our staff.
One.
And now I'm here with
Miss Jumana.
And what city did Martin Luther King have his I Have a Dream speech in?
Washington, D.C.
That is correct. Thank you. And today I'm here with
Sergio Garcia, principal of Artesia High School.
And who was Rosa Parks and why was her action significant?
Rosa Parks is a civil rights activist that actually refused to sit in the back of a bus. She was a mom, she was a lady that was sitting there and was asked to go sit in the back of the bus for all African Americans, and she refused to. She stayed in the front, and it was a symbol for the African American movement in the United States.
Yeah, correct.
All right, Pioneer, so it's basically our Black History segment.
Yeah, it's good to kind of it's good to highlight all cultures, not necessarily only Black people, but all races.
This month, we really
This
embrace
month is Black History Month. So, yeah, I hope you guys learned some things too.
I really like Black excellence.
You like Black excellence? So, can you name a couple Black figures?
George Washington, Carver.
I don't know who that is.
No? You didn't pay attention in history class? Oh, well, can you name?
LeBron James.
Of course. Steph Curry.
All right, Pioneers, that will conclude our episode. We'll catch you guys on the next one.
Say bye. On 3, ready? 1, 2,
Bye.
3.
Calm down. Do me a favor. Sucker.